All right guys, today we're working on a 2024 Nissan Frontier, the Pro 4X. We're gonna be installing a 6-inch rough country kit. He's gonna go with some 20-inch wheels with 33-inch tires. We're about to put this on the 2-post lift and get this process moving. All right guys, for this setup, customer went with a 6-inch rough country kit. He also went with the lifted struts, better ride. Reggie's already moving on tearing this apart. We're gonna get here shortly to start putting these components together. Alright guys, as you can see, Reggie pretty much has everything assembled. Fixing to just bolt up that top nut on the knuckle with the upper control arm. And we're all moving to the next step, which is the wheels and tires. We're almost done. Alright guys, for this build, this customer selected a Luxx Offroad wheel. And we're gonna wrap it together with a 33 1250/20 Venom Power RT. Now the wheel is a matte finish. He wanted a Baja style look. We're gonna put these bad boys together and move on to the next process. Reggie pretty much has all of this wrapped up already. He did the front already. Has the rear done. Now we just gotta slap the wheels and tires on this bad boy. Get it aligned. All right guys, just to recap on this build, the customer is here. He went with a 6-inch rough country kit with the lifted struts. He went with a 20x9 Luxx Offroad wheel. The tire setup he actually chose was a 33 1250 Venom Power RT. Came out very clean. My man is actually ready. He says he's fixing to go get himself some country girls. Right, my man?
Yeah, folks.
I'm talking about these.
Where the white girls at?
All right, man. So just like always, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to our channel. We got more builds to come.